What's the meaning of chunter? Chunter. Chunter.
Chunter. Chunter. Chunter is a verb that means to talk in a low, muttering, and grumbling manner, often in a repetitive or rambling way. The result of chuntering is typically a continuous, murmuring background noise that can be irritating or difficult to understand. It is commonly used to describe someone who complains or gossips incessantly, often without clear direction or purpose. Chuntering can also refer to the sound made by machinery or objects, such as an engine or a malfunctioning appliance, when it runs in an irregular or uneven manner.